Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing industries worldwide, and the legal field is no exception. But as AI becomes a bigger part of how businesses operate, it's also surrounded by myths that create confusion and hesitation, especially for law firms. Is AI going to steal jobs? Can it handle the complexities of law firm marketing? Is it only for large firms? In this video, we're breaking down 6 of the most common myths about AI in law firm marketing. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how AI can help you work smarter, save time, and grow your firm without sacrificing quality or control. The first myth is that AI will replace all jobs in law firms. One of the most common fears about AI is that it will replace human jobs. This myth has led to widespread anxiety, with people envisioning a future where lawyers and legal marketers are rendered obsolete. But the reality couldn't be further from the truth. AI is designed to assist, not replace. Think of AI as a powerful tool that handles repetitive, time-consuming tasks. For instance, AI can review thousands of legal documents in a fraction of the time it would take a person. However, interpreting those documents, applying critical thinking, and building strategies based on that information, that's still very much a human domain. In marketing, AI can automate things like social media posting, email campaigns, or website analytics. But it's your creativity and understanding of your audience that crafts compelling messages and builds client relationships. AI isn't replacing you. It's freeing you up to focus on higher value work that only humans can do, like forging personal connections and providing tailored advice. The legal field is built on trust, expertise, and human interaction, qualities AI can't replicate. Instead of fearing AI, law firms should see it as an enhancement that helps them operate more efficiently and deliver better client service. The second myth: AI doesn't make mistakes. Another misconception is that AI is flawless. Many believe that because AI is powered by sophisticated algorithms, it's immune to error. This belief can lead to over-reliance on AI tools, which can have serious consequences when mistakes occur. The truth is, AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If the data is biased, incomplete, or inaccurate, the AI's outputs will reflect those flaws. For example, in legal research, an AI tool might misinterpret a key term or generate results based on outdated information. Similarly, in marketing, AI might produce a tone or message that doesn't quite align with your firm's values or branding. Further, AI can experience hallucinations, where it generates results that look plausible but are completely incorrect. For example, an AI drafting a blog post on estate planning might include inaccurate legal advice, which could harm your reputation if published without review. This is why human oversight is critical. While AI can save time and provide valuable insights, it requires careful monitoring to ensure the quality and accuracy of its work. For law firms, the best approach is to use AI as a tool to enhance your capabilities, not as a substitute for expertise and judgment. The third myth is AI is machine learning. It's easy to confuse AI with machine learning, or ML, but they're not the same thing. AI is an umbrella term that encompasses various technologies including natural language processing, robotics, and machine learning. Machine learning, on the other hand, is a subset of AI that focuses on algorithms that improve over time as they process more data. Why does this distinction matter for law firms? Because different AI technologies serve different purposes. For example, natural language processing might power a chatbot that answers client questions on your website, while machine learning might analyze years of case data to predict outcomes. Understanding the difference helps law firms choose the right tools for their needs. If you're looking to improve your marketing efforts, you might use AI tools that specialize in client segmentation or content generation. If you want to optimize case management, machine learning algorithms can identify patterns and streamline workflows. Knowing what each technology can do ensures you're leveraging AI in the most effective way for your firm. The fourth myth: AI will replace human creativity. One of the most persistent myths about AI is that it can replace human creativity. This belief stems from the fact that AI can generate content, design visuals, and even compose music. But while AI can assist with these tasks, it lacks the emotional intelligence, originality, and strategic thinking that define true creativity. In the contents of law firm marketing, creativity is essential for building trust and connection with potential clients. For example, crafting a compelling story about how your law firm helped a client through a difficult time requires empathy and nuance, qualities that AI simply doesn't process. AI excels at supporting the creative process by handling repetitive tasks like generating content drafts, scheduling posts, or analyzing campaign performance. But the creative vision, brand strategy, and personal touch that resonate with your audience will always come from you and your team. Think of AI as a tool that enhances your creativity rather than replacing it. By automating the mundane aspects of marketing, AI gives you more time and energy to focus on crafting meaningful, impactful messages that set your firm apart. Myth number 5. AI is just marketing hype. AI has been called everything from the future of technology to just another buzzword. While it's true that some companies overhype AI's capabilities, the technology itself is far from just a passing trend. In fact, AI is already deeply integrated into many aspects of legal work and marketing. For example, AI tools are used for contract review, case management, and e-discovery, saving law firms countless hours on administrative tasks. In marketing, AI can analyze website traffic, predict campaign performance, and even personalize content communication. In marketing, AI can analyze website traffic, predict campaign performance, and even personalize client communication. These applications aren't theoretical, they're delivering measurable results for firms right now. Dismissing AI as hype means missing out on opportunities to improve efficiency and gain a competitive edge. Law firms that embrace AI today are better positioned to adapt to the future of legal marketing and operations. Far from being a fad, AI is becoming a foundational tool for firms of all sizes. The sixth myth is that AI is only for big law firms. Many smaller law firms assume that AI is only accessible to large firms with big budgets and extensive resources. This couldn't be further from the truth. AI tools have become more affordable, user-friendly, and scalable, making them accessible to firms of all sizes. For example, AI-powered chatbots can handle client inquiries 24/7, providing excellent service without the need for additional staff. Document automation tools can streamline processes like contract drafting, saving time and reducing errors. These tools often come with flexible pricing models, allowing smaller firms to start small and scale up as needed. The democratization of AI means that even solo practitioners can benefit from its capabilities. Whether it's improving client communication, automating marketing tasks, or analyzing data to refine your strategy, AI offers solutions that are both cost-effective and impactful. So, how can law firms make the most of AI? Start small, think big. Don't feel pressured to dive into AI with a full-scale implementation. Start by identifying 1 or 2 areas where AI can make an immediate impact, such as automating client intake forms or analyzing website traffic. Once you're comfortable with the results, you can expand into more advanced applications like predictive analytics or AI-powered content generation. Number 2, integrate AI with existing tools. AI works best when it complements the systems you already use. Look for AI tools that integrate seamlessly with your CRM, case management software, or marketing platforms. For example, an AI chatbot can enhance your website without requiring a complete redesign, while AI-powered analytics tools can plug into your existing marketing dashboard. 3, focus on the data. The more high-quality data you provide, the better your AI tools will perform. For law firms, this might mean tracking client interactions, analyzing past case outcomes, or reviewing marketing metrics. AI thrives on data, and by feeding it accurate, relevant information, you can unlock insights that drive better decision-making. 4, keep it human-centered. AI is a tool assist, not replace. Use it to handle repetitive tasks, analyze data, and generate ideas. But leave the strategic decisions, creativity, and client relationships to your team. By combining AI's efficiency with human expertise, you can create a balanced, effective approach to marketing and operations. Number 5, stay informed, stay adaptable. AI is constantly evolving, and staying informed about the latest developments ensures you're always one step ahead. Attend industry webinars, read up on new tools, and collaborate with AI specialists to keep your firm at the cutting edge of technology. AI is reshaping law firm marketing, but it's not the scary, job-stealing force many people fear. Instead, it's a powerful tool for streamlining operations, improving efficiency, and growing your practice. By understanding what AI can and can't do, law firms of all sizes can harness its potential to achieve their goals. Ready to explore how AI can transform your marketing strategy? Contact us today to learn more. If you've enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.